Welcome to the Natural Health and Life channel. Like the video and click subscribe for more health tips. A simple trick to eliminate bad smells in the kitchen. Lemon is probably one of the most versatile fruits in the world. Full of nutrition, this bright yellow citrus kills viruses and bacteria. Its fragrance promotes calmness while its oil cleans and disinfects. What's more, they have numerous practical applications around the house, from polishing stainless steel appliances to brightening laundry. The citric acid in lemons gives them powerful natural cleaning abilities, and they're useful for health and beauty too. This trick might be the simplest and natural way to get rid of foul odors. Lemons can be used all over your home to help deodorize it. Here's how to use it. Simply cut a lemon in 4 parts. Add a little bit of salt on the pieces. Put them in a bowl and place centrally in the kitchen. The salt absorbs and neutralizes odors while the shell releases a fresh, citrus smell. This also kills viruses and bacteria in the air. Here's another trick, how to use lemon juice as a kitchen disinfectant. Use lemon juice as a disinfectant in the kitchen, bathroom, or elsewhere. Because it's a natural ingredient, it can be safely used to disinfect other foods. To make a powerful disinfectant that will help you clean kitchen utensils, mix the juice of 3 lemons, 2 tablespoons of Castile soap and a half teaspoon of sea salt in a quart bottle. The citric acid from lemon juice effectively kills common household germs, especially when allowed to sit for at least 30 minutes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. For more housekeeping life hacks, subscribe to our channel.